Hello from Taj Tires. I've got a Jeep Cherokee here on a 2016-2017 plate. Just going to show you how to basically replace the wiper blades on this. I've got the wiper blades already. These are the Bosch ones here. That's the part number right there if you know what you're getting. So they're both on the drivers and the passenger. It's the same one. Now to do it, it's a simple procedure. I'll just show you. All you got to do on this one is, you can see right here, that's the little clip. So you get a flat screwdriver, you push the screwdriver in, you lift the clip up all the way so it comes out, stops it from moving back to front. Then you've got this little lug here. On the inside you push that in, and then you bring the wipers down. I have to use my second hand. So once you've got it down, you take the whole thing out. Now the old ones are out, get the new ones. New ones are right here. So there's only one way you could put them on, so this is not a difficult one here. You slot the wipers in and then push the wipers towards yourself till it clicks. That's it, and then you drop it. You do the same thing on the other side. The other side's got this bit here. Right, this one's got a spoiler. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to get to the other side, show you that one as well. Now with this one, same thing again. You put a screwdriver in, gently lift it up so that comes up, and then the whole thing comes out. You then get the new wipers. So there's only one way the wipers would go in, so the spoiler bit needs to face down. You slot it in, you gently push the wipers in place, and that's it, job done. That's all you need to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.